In this video, I will show how to keep monitor on when laptop is closed on Windows 11 or 10. So start and open control panel. Now select large icons and here click on power options. Now here guys, you have to click on choose what the closing the lead does. So here you have to select do nothing. When I press the power button and when I close the lead, do nothing on battery and do nothing on plugged in. So only just you want to make changes in the laptop is closed. When laptop is closed, it's a mean when I close the lid. So select do nothing and when I press the power button, so select shut down or sleep. So this is the choice guys, you can select any option from this. When I press the power button, do nothing, sleep or shut down, and when I close the lid, so sleep and shut down. And if you select do nothing, so your process will running in background. So thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel.